Hello friends, this is Maria Riles with the Greensboro Public Library. Today we're going to learn how to make a snow globe craft. You may have seen snow globes before, this type, plastic or glass. There's liquid inside and then there's some glitter and shiny things that when you shake it you get the appearance of snow. I think these are really cool. I love to see these in souvenir stores and around the holidays, but today we're going to make a winter snow globe that doesn't require any water at all. Here's what you'll need. First of all, you'll need a pattern or template for your snow globe. You can find these on the internet and print one out, or you can just draw your own with a circle and then sort of a rectangular base for your snow globe. For the particular method that we're going to use, your circle needs to be about 7 inches in diameter. You'll also need a clear plastic plate that's also about 7 inches in diameter so that when you lay it on your circle, they match up pretty well. Now you'll need to create a scene inside your snow globe. This one has like a city scene with some tall buildings. This one has some trees and things in the background. So you want to create a scene. And there are several ways you can do that. With your template, you're going to draw within the circle. And you can use markers or crayons to draw a scene. It can be related to a holiday or just related to winter. So you can draw whatever you would like. If you want to use some scraps of paper to cut out and glue a scene inside your snow globe, you can also do that. Small pieces of colored printer paper, construction paper, whatever type of paper that you have on hand. You don't want to do that, you can find a picture that's already been created, like a magazine picture or a picture from a greeting card, and you can cut that out and add it to your scene. You could also use stickers if you wanted to put some extra things inside, some shiny stickers or some stickers that look like snowflakes. That would be fun. So then once you have your scene created, you need to add some things to make the snow. And this is the really fun part, I think. There's all kinds of things that you can use. You can use glitter in whatever colors you like. White or silver, or if you want to go bright colors, pink, blue, purple, whatever you like for your glitter. You can add some of these shiny little pieces. These are called sequins. They come in lots of shapes and sizes and colors, so you can add those to the inside of your globe as well. Or you can even add some tiny little beads or tiny little pearls that will look a little bit like snow when you shake them. So those are all kinds of possibilities. So use your creativity and imagination to create the scene inside your snow globe. I have a couple that I've already completed. This one, I just used my markers and crayons and I did a scene. I decided I would include a Christmas tree and some animals that are outside in winter. For this one, I really love these Redbird's cardinals. I found a picture of a cardinal on a greeting card, and so I cut him out, added a sticker and some crayons to make this scene. And then for this one, I used those paper scraps and cut out my picture. Tree, snowman, I added a sticker. Again, you can create this and decorate this however you like. Now, the fun part of adding the shaker part is also the trickiest part. So, to do this, you're going to need some glue. Liquid glue is probably better. We're going to be very careful about how much we use. And you will need to take from your template. Remember, we started with this. You're going to cut out the shape of your snow globe and have our clear plastic plate ready. And now we're going to put all of our little snow bits in the very middle of our picture. So I'm going to add a little bit of my glitter. I'm just going to shake some or pour some right in the center. And I really like these shiny pearls and beads, so I'm going to add some of those as well. Again, right in the middle. And a few of these sequins. Some of them look a little bit like snowflakes. Some are just circles, like snowballs, or maybe like sleet is falling outside. Okay, so once we have all of our snowflake bits inside, we're going to leave those right in the center for now. And we're going to take our liquid glue, and we're going to put a line of glue all the way around the edge. Before you start this, a couple things to keep in mind. If you put too much glue, it will be too wet. It will take a long time to dry. Your paper might bend and warp a little bit. So don't put too much, but make sure that you do put a continuous amount around, because if you leave a gap, when you shake your snow globe, some of your glitter and snow bits will come out the spaces. So we don't want to have any spaces. We want to use a medium amount of glue. So let me get this started. I'm just going to put it right along my black line. Not too thick of a line, but a pretty steady, continuous line all the way around. If you need an adult to help you with this, that's okay. If you don't have liquid glue, you could try this with glue stick. You just need to make sure that you get a good amount. If you don't even have glue stick, you could try with some clear tape around the edges. As long as you cover the entire brim of your snow globe, you'll be okay. So now, there's my glue. I'm going to put my plate down right where that glue is. I'm going to press it down so it sort of seals it all the way around the edge. And then I'm going to leave it. This is the trickiest part, and I'll tell you one mistake that I made the first time I did this. For this one, I didn't leave it to dry long enough, and when I picked it up to give it a little shake, some of my shiny things stuck to the edge of my wet glue. And now it doesn't look as much like snow because not as many things will move around. So that's a little warning, don't make that mistake. For the cardinal, I made sure to leave all my shaky bits right in the middle and leave it flat on my table until it was completely dry. And once it's completely dry, you can shake it and you can see all your glitter and little snow pieces falling like a real snow globe. So I hope you'll give this project a try. It's just a fun and easy way to welcome the winter season. Be sure to leave that to dry as long as you can, a few hours, maybe even overnight. For this one, I left it to dry overnight just to be on the safe side. So, and I'm hoping that we will have some real snow this winter so we can go outside and play and build a real snowman and go sledding and those kinds of things. But if we don't, we can try a little snow globe project instead. Thank you for joining us. Stop by the library, pick out some books and movies about winter. And I will see you next time. Bye.